Trilly on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots.
Okay guys, it's a new week. Bruce is back at home. We had a small problems with this thing and small fire. Not bad, only small fire. But we have to do some sled pulling next weekend, so we have to fix this thing. But before we can fix anything, we have to wash it outside, then flip the cabin from the engine bay so we can check what is the problem and the cause of the fire. I think it's a full line, but we will see. We have to take a ladder and drag it back on the back of the shop and start doing some stuff for this thing. Okay, let's move that thing and start working with it. I don't have that many nice things, but one nice thing I have, and it's this loader. I love it. Let's see. Let's hook this thing, drag back to the shop. Some washing. Can you hang this? Thanks. Let's flip the cabin and start washing. You know, if there's a job for Bruce, this will be that. Great guy, but not that great mechanic. But flipping cabins, quite okay.
1 hour later.
I have no idea where is that coming. It's coming from inside of the cabin. Not sure how. Well. It's not that bad really. Fuel temp sensor, that's gone. Oil press, gone. I still can't see any fuel pipes here on the top, but we have to take it inside and check what is the problem. I think we first will take some coffee. Ali here is working hard. the Facebook. Ali! Tää Facebook. The Facebook. He's on Facebook first. Okay, let's take it in. Nice and crisp. It ain't perfect for sure. Still spinning. I don't know really. All these pipes are melted, like chunk, but still the reason for the fire can't tell. We have to take the fuel pump out and see what we can find there, but so far nothing. So this is the fuel pump. That's crusty. Look there. Everything is melted down there. Everything. This is the oil press sensor. Also quite crusty. It's a moment of truth. We have to test. Is this thing turning anymore? Let's hope it is. Yeah! It's still spinning. That's good news. So everything here is melted. Even the main power line is totally gone. The main wiring harness to the back gone. That will be fun to fix. I think we have to cut this one and put the batteries back on and check what kind of faults we have on the chassis. I bet there will be plenty of faults. So, I don't know really. Everything here on the engine, quite easy to fix. Nothing that bad. Engine is spinning, so that's good. But that wiring harness, that's not the easy fix for sure. But I don't know. No sled pulling for this weekend for sure. That I know. I think we have to wait that Misa is back on the work. He can do all that crap down there. So it's another day, another problem. Today's plan is to take the radiator and the intercooler off because we need to fix that wiring harness. But today we have also Misa here, back from the holiday, long 1 week holiday. Actually he was sick, but that's okay. So we have to remove some of the hoses under the cabin, then flip the cabin back down, use the crane and lift the cabin from the front, take the radiators out, and then we can see the wiring harness, and then we can see can we fix it. So the cooling packet is now all removed, and now we can see the damage on the wiring harness, and it doesn't look that good. All the crusty parts are still between the engine and the frame, so I don't know really. These are now easy to fix, but down there that will be pain. I don't know really. Maybe we have to take engine out.
Maybe.
Today?
Maybe.
No, not today. All this is now easy to fix. Actually we have only here coolant temp sensor here is crusty. This is for the fan. This is now easy to fix. Some idle pullers, but yeah, let's see what we can do. Okay, we have made our plan. We are going to mount the cab mounts back on the truck, that we can flip the cabin. Then we can start to fix those wirings one by one. It's going to be quite a lot of work, but still no need to remove the engine. But that will be the next episode, so see you then.